Hey everyone, how you doing? My name is Cyjax, and today we're making an Italian Christmas cookie called pizzelle. But before we get into that, I would like to tell you guys that on average you guys only watch 1 minute and 28 seconds of my content. What are you doing? You're not even at the good part. I mean, how about you just give me a chance and watch the rest of this? Okay? So, this is an Italian dish made by my great-great-grandmother. I don't know if that's where I don't know if she created it or not. Probably not. But yeah, it's been a tradition in my household to bake it every year. And today I thought I'd share it with you guys in how to make it. So what you will need is you're going to need, So what you will need is 1 3/4, God, this is hard, 1 second. Okay, so you're going to need 1 3/4 of flour, 3 eggs, 3/4 of oil, vegetable oil to be exact. 1 cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla, 1½ that just says tea, lemon, 1/4 bottle of anise, and 1/4 bottle of coconut. Sorry, I'm just kind of illiterate, but you'll see more of that as this video goes on. Now that you have your measured out, how much is it again? 1 cup of sugar. And you have your 3/4 cups of oil. You just need to pour these babies in together. And come on. You just need to whisk these things together until all the sugar is dissolved into the oil. Hey, editor guy, do a very fancy montage. Make it look epic. So you know that you're doing good when your whole body just starts jiggling by the stirring motions that you're doing. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Disgusting. Now what you want to do is take your 3 unborn babies right here, and all 3 of these go in here. Don't do what I do, and I accidentally dropped this is a true story, by the way. I once accidentally dropped like half the shell, and it was like all shredded, so I have to spend like hours picking out the individual egg shells. Eventually I said screw it and ate the entire thing with eggshells on. I know that sometimes you might be able to get twins in these things, and if you do, I'm sorry, you're just going to need to throw out this entire match. It's ruined. It's ruined, and you ruined it. Okay, now that you got the Bart Simpson goo, okay, now you want to get your pure extract vanilla right now, and I really hope that doesn't stick like last time, and you just put 1½ teaspoons of vanilla, and of all the things, there it is, thank you. So you get your 1 teaspoon right here. You get your 1 teaspoon right here. There you go. 1½ teaspoons right here. 2. This thing does smell really good. I wonder how it tastes. Oh, God. Now we get lemons. I don't know how this works with regular lemons, and I would actually like to try that someday. That would probably be a very, very bad idea. But, yeah, 1½ tablespoons like last time. Teaspoons. That's the one. And you cap. Yep, that's right. Okay. 1½ teaspoons. I'm gonna say that was 1½ teaspoons, okay? No one acknowledged that. I didn't mess up, I swear. Okay, now you need 1/4 bottle of anise. Can any of you tell me where the measurements are? 1/4 bottle, you're just gonna have to eye it like I am. This is probably gonna be the worst tasting cookie because it's made by me. At this point, you would like to stir it so, you know, it doesn't rise up and kill you, because it does start to look like a sentient organism. Yeah, so get that nice and stirred in before your last step, which is the coconut. Now, you want to do 1/4 bottle of coconut, same thing as the anise. Anix, I don't know how to pronounce. Yeah, so you just do 1/4 bottle of this, and again, I'm going to eye it. Yeah, there's probably a measuring thing for this, but at this point, fuck it. Once this is nice and stirred in, this flour, yeah, don't think I forgot about this, is finally going to get poured in to finish the thing off. Okay, and then you just, actually, I might want to use this. You might want to use this for the thing and just slowly scrape it in. There, that's all the flour. And now this is the dough, and then once you get this stirred in, what you want to do is set it in your freezer, or not the freezer, refrigerator? Yeah, refrigerator is chill, and for a couple minutes. I don't know exactly how long, but you want to get it nice and cold so you can then heat it up again. I don't know how that works, but it's how it's done for just a bit. Because I am sleazy and fat, I've already chilled one, so I'm just going to get, ew. And again, you can always do the taste test. It tastes good to me. If you're one of those weird connoisseurs of cookies, then you might want to add more of whatever. Already chilled, so let's just get, I'm going to put this right in here. Okay, so here we are a few hours later with our chilled, ice cold thing. Now you could guzzle this down right now, but what you want to do is get a pizzelle maker like I have right here, or a waffle maker. So you grab a spoon and you basically scoop it off into here. Now you just hold this down for 10 seconds and let it do its magic. It's going to be flimsy when you first pry it off, but after a few seconds, it should be easy to go. It should be hard enough to eat. So yeah, you just do that over and over again until you get rid of all the batter. I'm not doing that all on film because that would be horrifying. If you did watch all the way through, then you obviously liked it, so, like the video. And if you did enjoy, make sure to share this with a friend. And I hate to reiterate myself, but remember to like, subscribe, and goodbye.